Now, read what. Who's it from?
Granny Barbara.
Okay, go ahead, open it. See what she got you. Messiah,
Yes?
you have some long nails. Let me see your thumbnail. Turn the other way. Other way. Girl, that don't make no sense. Look. Let me see your other nails.
My pinky nail though.
Look at the pinky nail though. Girl, that don't make no sense. Okay, open
Okay.
the letter.
Just a bit. Okay. Hi, birthday girl. You got a
Aw.
little cupcake. I think this is Ariel.
This is a mermaid.
Ariel, she's a kid. Dollars, mama, you
Aw, what'd it say?
Hope your birthday's really fun and super slashy too.
Splashy to your job.
Love you.
Is it cursive?
Yeah.
Granny Barbara, what you called her? Yay, say thank you.
Thank you, Granny.
Mhm.
Love you.